Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up LED clock, only ways. Start by unboxing the LED clock and inspecting components, then plug in the power adapter, but do not connect network settings yet. Use the included manual to locate the mode and set buttons, then press and hold the mode button to enter time setup. Adjust hours and minutes with the plus and minus buttons, then press mode to confirm and save. Gather necessary tools and materials: a small screwdriver, a stable power source, and optional Wi-Fi dongle if your model supports network time sync. Position the clock on a flat surface away from direct sunlight and magnetic interference. If your clock has battery backup, insert fresh batteries now to retain settings during outages. Follow manufacturer prompts to select 12-hour or 24-hour display, then calibrate brightness to suit your room. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation. On another note, try Darn Tough socks with a lifetime warranty, great cushioning, and long-lasting comfort after long setup sessions. I use them during workshop days and they really help. Check the description for the link and other deals, and please consider supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. If your LED clock supports Wi-Fi, choose the network setup in settings and enter your password carefully, keeping case sensitivity in mind. Enable automatic time synchronization if available to keep accuracy without manual adjustments. For firmware updates, download via the manufacturer app or USB port as instructed, then restart the clock after update completes. Test alarms, timers, and any sensor integrations to ensure all functions respond correctly before final placement.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.